guys? So today is Tuesday, September 18th. September 18th or 19th? Too small for me to wrap it, but I'll just do it.
Oh, ow. Ow.
What's up? What's up guys? So today is Tuesday, September 19th, and today is another vlog day. So we are doing Korean night tonight. I'm gonna do a dance. So we're just kind of prepping everything first. I've got the potatoes in the oven. Hello. There. And then JJ's cutting up the pork that we'll put on the marinade that we made. And I'm playing. So like for ingredients, I kind of searched them up on YouTube. And I'm not saying that these are like the authentic Korean food, but I kind of just like making it with a twist and stuff. In this one here that I'm making, I have garlic, green onions, and the bean sprout, and I'm gonna like flavor it with fish sauce and like sesame oil and stuff. And I'm also gonna make green onion pancake as well as like Korean mashed potato and stuff. And then I'll just show you guys the final product in a little bit. Hey guys, so right now I'm prepping the ingredients for the Korean egg pancake. I cut up some green onions into like small pieces, and then I need to prep the shrimp. I just need a little bit of shrimp, and I'm using like cooked shrimps already. Alright, so I'll show you guys how I make this pancake. So I mix the green onions with the pancake mix already and with water. I'll just pour it to the pan with oil. And then after that, I'll mix it with shrimp. I'm kind of just spreading it around. Once that's done, I will put the egg on top. Hello! I'm back and everything's ready. I'll just show you what we have. Lettuce, and then here's thick bacon. We have bean sprout, mashed potato, green onion pancake, and just soy sauce and vinegar. And of course, rice. And the marinated pork. Everything's ready and we're just cooking it up. Here we go!
I meant to press this button.
Yeah!
There it is, so you can see it. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Grabbing my meat.
Bacon.
I'm gonna grab a little bit of rice.
Come. First.
And then I want samjang.
Or luto mo na yung bacon mo.
And then a little bit of hot paper paste.
Where's it? Here.
And then the lettuce is too small for me to wrap it, but I'll just do that.
Oh, ow. Ow. Ow!
So good! Hi! It's darkness. No, it's not. I'm gonna turn it on. Why are you still videotaping me? What have I done? Smoking. Turn it on, or else I'm gonna do that. Stop! Jay! Jay? Jay? I didn't show you guys the aftermath of the dinner, but I'll just end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!